Why do eye exercises help not to everybody? First, because instead of 1 or 2 exercises, people do 5-10 exercises per workout, and instead of 1 or 2 repetition, 10-20 exercises, and thereby drives the eyes into even a greater spasm. At first, it is advisable to do 1, maximum 3 exercises with 1 repetition in the first year of training. Second, for example, a person took 3 best exercises for myopia from my channel, made them right, increased metabolism in the eyes, synchronized the work of the eye muscles, but after that he stuck to the phone for 2 hours and overloaded his eyes, and thereby pushing the result of improving vision back. The most important thing is to develop the habits of resting your eyes and not overloading them. Find the right exercises for you from my channel and your eyesight will improve. Subscribe to improve your eyesight naturally.